So the problem is in this 73 Volkswagen is the brake lights won't come on, and it's due to a faulty hydraulic pressure switch that sits behind the firewall, behind the brake pedal, right there by the master cylinder. Apparently they go out quite often, and I don't want to mess around with that anymore. So I've fabricated a altered a bracket here. I'm going to show you where I'm going to put it. So right there where this bolt was, I took it out, and I've manufactured a little piece of angle iron for that bolt to go through, and then I went ahead and put a micro switch on it, so that way when the brake is sitting on this, it'll be shut, the switch will be shut, turning the brake circuit off. And when you push the brake, of course, that's going to open and the brake lights will come on. So I'll give you the measurements of this bracket and show you some more on it here in one sec. So it's sitting about 1 3/4 inches tall, and the other direction, let's see, about 1 5/8 inches, like the bend. The center of the hole is 1/2 inch, roughly 1/2 inch right there, center of that hole off of the floorboard. And all I did was notch this little corner out right here, so when you,
I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna pick up this little car.
cool. So when you have your gas pedal, which sits right above this, it won't. So I located the brake wire, which they typically run through here from the master cylinder refill. They goes to the master cylinder that's down there behind the firewall, and the two switches have a couple wires that come off of it, and I found it right here. So there's a hot coming in from the fuse box that goes down to feed the hot to the switch. When the pressure is applied, it should come back up on this wire, which feeds this wire to feed your brake lights. So what I'm going to do is, since I no longer need that switch going down here to the master cylinder, bypassing it by putting the other switch at the brake pedal, I'm going to bring my two wires that I've routed through right here and tie them into there, and we should have brakes. Alright, so what I got is the hot coming off the fuse box right here, taking that down to the micro switch I put behind the gas pedal to come in contact. Whenever you push the brake, it'll release that switch, and like I said, this goes back in that wiring loom to go to the back of the vehicle for the brake lights. And while it's installed, this is what it looks like. So you can't really see much of what's going on there, and you can tell when you give it the gas. See if I can turn on this light. It doesn't come in contact with it, so it's not restraining it in any way. And for the moment of truth, now that everything's all hooked up, see if I can set this up here so you can see. Hit the brake. Time. Should be good to go. Thanks for watching.